And let's go take a look on the outside. New Xiaomi SU7 Max. The Max version is their top with these large wheels, Brembo brakes. This is a dual motor design, got about 501 kilometer range. Looking at the spec here, you got a 838 Newton meter torque, so it's got some nice power to it. And the battery here is 101 kilowatt hours. I really like this color, this purple. And let's take a look around over here. And here's a better way to see the 21-inch wheels with Brembo brakes. You got your ADAS cameras here, LiDAR. But take a look at the interior. This has a more traditional handle, by the way, than a lot of EVs. Got a little push button here instead of those pull-outs. And I really like this interior. It's really beautiful purple. It's kind of perforated leather here. Also, you have like a suede or Alcantara. Overall fit and finish is really, really nice. Way beyond anything Tesla's come up with. And take a look at, you got a LCD for the driver. You got a camera monitoring the driver for self-driving. And then this large center touchscreen. And take a look, really, really nice driver's display. There's a monitor here, camera monitor, to make sure you're awake when you're doing your self-driving. Large center console. These are add-ons for the Max or options on other models. This add-on display and this button panel. You can actually get just the touch panel, or these are an add-on option. You got dual charging here, wireless charging for your phone. Nice center storage console. Notice this breathing light here, LED, which you also have all the way around. And a key feature, which you really can't see unless you're sitting in my seat, is the HUD display. Can you see it in the glass? Let me see if I can point it there. Yeah, right there. It's blinking on camera, but there's an HUD display. So when you're driving, you don't have to look at any of these LCDs. It's showing right in front over there. And I'll show you something interesting. Let's keep it pointed here for a second and turn the car off. Watch what happens here. It flips over. I don't know why they have that, but whatever, it's a gimmick. So even your door handles really nice, ergonomic. Push button door release. No handles. Even these knurled textured finish here, really, really nice. This is your volume control. You got these 10-inch entertainment screens in the back as an option here. Look at the panoramic glass roof. Really, really nice. Alcantara roof material. Again, you got your breathing LED feature all the way around. Reading lights. Everything is built. Look, you see the fade. Not what you expect in a $30,000 to $40,000 EV. And look at this. Even this mirror cover. Remember the old magnetic cases for the iPad? Well, same idea. So driver and passenger, self-dimming mirrors, even the pull handles. You see, you can see it over there. The leather pull handles with the little knobs on the end. It looks like something, you know, from a high-end piece of luggage. In the back, you got your AC. Is there a touch panel back there? Can't see it. You got, again, your breathing LED feature. It's got good leg room back there too, huh? And the glass continues all the way to the hatchback, which somebody just opened, or the trunk, I should say. Can open the trunk from inside. Can open the front hood from inside. And let's go take a look. We opened the hood and the trunk, and let's go take a look on the outside. Another ADAS camera. So this car is ready for full self-driving. Let's take a look under the hood. Find the release. Oh, there isn't one. You got a nice frunk, much bigger than my car. I like this detail. This is a strengthening feature Also, I guess some soundproofing in there, but this honeycomb feature makes the hood even stronger. So gas struts, and there's no other release. And around back, Chinese market slow and fast charging, level 2, level 3. And then in the back, there's a self-opening closing trunk, pretty deep, with dual split rear seats. And another secret storage space down here, but no spare tire. Now this is the Max, again, top of the line, but starting at $30,000 US, you get most of this. This one adds in the second motor, the larger wheels and Brembo brakes, and a couple of little tweaks. Standard model right behind us. It's a standard model SU7, starting off around $30,000 in China market. If you'd like one of these, contact us. Our channel now has a trade division. We offer direct export of every EV made in China.